Welcome, everyone, to the Deep Dive.
hmm
Today we're tackling something a little unusual. Our source material isn't really, providing information itself. It's actually presenting a very, very specific question. And our job today is to kind of unpack what that question tells us. So the source is titled Excerpts from MEXC Referral Code, MEXC-xr, How to Use. And yeah, the core content is literally just that question. What is MEXC Referral Code?
Yeah.
mexc-xr, How to Use.
Right. And what's really interesting, I think, is what we can actually learn just from the phrasing of that question. It's not someone just vaguely asking about crypto or referral codes in
Yeah,
general.
it's all super specific.
Exactly. They have that exact string. And crucially, they're asking what it is and how to use it. So the question for us becomes, well, what does such a specific query reveal about what the user actually needs to know?
Yeah, that's a great angle. It suggests it's not just idle curiosity, is it? It feels quite targeted, almost urgent. Like you said, it's not, tell me about referral codes. It's, I have MUX-X. What do I do with it?
Mm-hmm.
What does that specificity imply about maybe where they are in their journey before asking?
Precisely. Yeah, there's a backstory implied, isn't there? You can almost picture it. Maybe, someone got a message from a friend, hey, use MEXC when you sign up, or perhaps they saw it in an online ad.
Right.
So they're not just browsing around learning about crypto exchanges. They have this specific piece of data, MEXC, and they need to know its function, like right now. MEXC, for context, it's a crypto exchange platform.
Okay.
And these referral codes are, well, they're pretty standard. A way to get new users, often giving discounts or bonuses. So this MEXC, it's not just random letters. It's like a key for a specific lock on a specific platform. It points to a really immediate, actionable need.
So it's really about the practical application then. They're kind of past the what is this stage and deep into the how do I make this work phase. Does a question that specific, does it maybe suggest a higher value or urgency for the user compared to just a general search?
Oh, absolutely. I'd say so. The value is huge for them because it's tied directly to something they're probably trying to do. They might be, right in the middle of signing up or about to make a trade. And this bit of info, how to use MEXC, is the thing stopping them from taking that next step.
A gatekeeper.
Exactly. And if you're, say, a website or a search engine trying to help, a question this precise demands an equally precise answer, a how-to. It really underlines the importance of, actionable knowledge, not just facts, but information you can immediately use.
And thinking about, say, creating content online, a question like this signals you need super clear step-by-step instructions, right? Not just a broad article about MEXC, but something that says, got MEXC, here's exactly where it goes and what you click. It's a different ballgame for information providers.
Totally. It bypasses all the background stuff. It's a shortcut straight to utility. It also kind of shows how users are getting more sophisticated, doesn't it? They know what piece of information they have. They just need to know what to do with it. It's less about learning the theory, much more about achieving a specific goal.
Wow, okay. We've really gone quite deep today. Just by looking at the structure of a question, we zeroed in on that very specific query from the source. What is MEXC Referral Code? MEXC-xr, How to Use. It really is quite fascinating when the source material is the informational need itself, laid bare like that.
It is, and it leaves you, the listener, with something to think about, perhaps. If the knowledge you encounter comes packaged as a super specific question like this one, what does that tell you about the whole process of finding answers? How would you, as someone trying to learn, go about finding the how-to for something as precise as MEXC? And maybe more broadly, what does this whole scenario teach us about, actively chasing down usable knowledge in this information-flooded world we live in?